Hello there and welcome to my comparison between the Rode Procaster that I have here and this lovely new mic that Rode has sent me. Oop, that's the back. So kindly, that's upside down. The new XDM-100. This is a mic designed for streamers and gamings and is a USB mic and comes with its own software, which is pretty cool. I have not unboxed this yet, so we're going to be doing that. But first, I want to show you my setup now. I am using a Rode Procaster with a Rode stand. I love it. It's great. This is what I normally use on my streams. Both of these microphones are dynamic and cardioid microphones. So you're going to be wanting to talk to them kind of head on like this. They say like this for distance between them. And we'll just hop right into how the Rode Procaster sounds. Basically, I am not super technical with my comparisons, but I want to make sure that there's a video out there because I could not find one of the differences in sounds between these two. So happy to provide this with my voice and kind of make a comparison between what you think might be better. So this is the Procaster currently. This goes for $208. It is an XLR connection, so you do need some sort of mixer or something that you can plug it into. Which for some people, it might be a bit cheaper, but if you don't have that tech, then you need to account for that in your purchase of this microphone. I'm not very technical, but the frequency range of this is 75 hertz to 18 kilohertz, pardon me. It does have a built-in windscreen that you can unscrew this and use a little bit of extra in there. I actually took a little bit of extra windscreen stuff and shoved it in there as well because I found that the plosives and everything were a little bit too high for me, and this just kind of helped negate that a little bit, and I thought it was very helpful. So definitely would recommend doing that if you do happen to buy this. You can get a Rode kind of windscreen for it that goes on, but it's like this big, and I just thought it was a little bit too massive. Took up like half of my screen, so I don't use it anymore. So this is me sitting really forward into the mic and very, very close right in your ear holes. This is me slowly talking backwards and a little bit farther away from the mic. I do have noise gate on in my OBS, so that might hold it back. Talking around the mic, we get to this over here. It does not, I believe, have the back bit on the mic where you will get noise back there, but we can test that out back here. That is not working very well, so there you go. No noise coming from the back. I do have some noise isolation stuff on my wall as well. In terms of plosives, pop, popsicle, ice, ice, icicle, testing, 1, 2, 3, Peter, Piper, picks up pepper, whatever. So I do have a bit of windscreen in here, so keep that in mind as well. Now for the unboxing of the XDM-100. I did take a peek in here back a couple months ago when they originally sent this to me. I've been very late. So no, I kept it all together. Good, good. So it does come with its own shock mount, which is great because I had to buy this shock mount myself for the Procaster. It did not come with it. So another little thing that you need to add on to the price if you are looking at a Procaster. Here is the shock mount, nice and sturdy. It actually looked like the same. The same one that I have for my Procaster. Very interesting. I believe it is the same one. Not sure. Further in the box, we have the cord, of course, very important. There's a little regulatory and safety guide in here. I'll read that later, sure. I really like the box of this. It feels very like another tech company that makes the unboxing experience very nice. Kind of sticks to the bottom, and when you open it up, it feels like, ooh, light coming from the microphone. Now this is the beautiful XDM-100. It feels very similar in weight to the Procaster. It actually looks quite similar in general to the Procaster, which is pretty cool. It has this headphone jack on the back of it, so you can put your headphones in and adjust the volume that you're getting. I don't feel like that's that beneficial because I think most gamers have keyboards that have the volume controls on them already. But if you don't, it might be nice to have. It has this quality assurance sticker on the bottom, which love me some assured quality. That's good. And last but not least, don't know what is in here. Oh, beautiful. So this does come with a windscreen. It is actually quite nice because it doesn't have, like I was talking about with the Procaster, that ginormous sock to go on the end of it. This is much more sleek and very nice looking in comparison to the other one. Once I listen to this, depending on which one I pick, I might actually take this and sneak it on here for my streams. That might happen. So this has that, and there is a headphone extender, I want to say. Not 100% sure, but that is my guess. On the box as well, it does have instructions on how to set up the mic because it does come with some special software. I have heard online that some people get confused and mess it up. So if you are confused, here are the instructions if you somehow have thrown out your box. So it is cranked way past the middle point where it is supposed to be. So not sure what that means, but I'm using this not on a shock mount because I don't want to swap up my whole setting. But yes, so this is what the XDM sounds like. It is $249 currently. It does come with the pop shield and the shock mount. This is obviously without the pop shield on. I will put it on later. It does have a USB-C connection, which I realized I do only have one USB-C connection on my computer, so if that affects you, just something to consider. The frequency range of this is 20 Hz to 20 kilohertz, and I am trying it without the Rode X software, which on Rode's website they do say that you can plug and play, and that is great. It might have adjusted the audio a little bit for me, but yes, I'm not even making it up to the yellow bar in my OBS talking on this, so might need to boost it a little bit. I thought my Procaster was quiet, but yeah, wow, because I have my Procaster on my mixer basically up all the way on the gain. So yes, something to consider. I did read that the software is apparently confusing for this. Don't know if that's true. Have not used it. I didn't want to install it because I'm not planning on using it, but it might be something to consider. I've also seen that it's quite easy, so maybe it depends on your skills on the computer. Not too sure. The area of audio around this mic, I will do a little bit of chatting around the side. Again, this is one that you should be talking basically directly into or just over top a little bit like this. So it should not be getting too much at the back, but if we talk like this, it is still picking up a little bit. I did have to turn off my noise gate for this because it kept cutting me off. So that is a thing as well. So this is talking up very close, basically lips against the mic. And this is me talking further back, probably a little bit quiet, but there you go. In terms of plosives, we have pop, pop, popsicle, ice, ice, icicles, test, test, testing, 1, 2, 3. Peter picks up pebble, blah, 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 blah. Now we have here. We have popsicle, icicle, testing, 1, 2, 3, Peter packs of pickled peppers, blah, 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 blah. So yes, I hope that you enjoyed this comparison video. I know I'm not very technical, but I wanted to give you guys a good rundown of somebody who is just a streamer, don't know really anything about technology. I just sit here and play games. But yeah, I wanted to make sure that there were some videos out for the comparison between these two because I could not find any and I wanted to hear the differences. So here we go. Thank you, Rode, for sending over this beautiful mic. I look forward to probably trying it out on stream and seeing what people enjoy better. Thank you for all this sweet equipment. They also sent me my beautiful boom arm here. So thank you to them. Thank you for all the amazing stuff. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.